morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface area and volume. In that 2 exercises already I have completed. This is the third chapter based on total surface area and curved surface area of the cone. Okay. Fourth sum is a conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the cone. That is the first thing we need to find. And the cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So these are the two questions given. So for finding the canvas required for making a conical tent, we need the curved surface area. That is pi r L we need. So for that L only we are asked to find the slant height of the cone. Okay, so conical height of conical tent is 10 meter height. So height is given as height of the cone. Height of the cone is equal to 10 meter. Height of the cone is 10 meter and radius of its base, radius is equal to 24 meter. Radius of its base is given as 24 meter. Find the slant height of the cone. So slant height is L. Okay, so L is equal to, when we take a cone, for that a cone will be like this. So for this one, radius is given as 24 meter and the height of the cone is given as, that is, height of the cone is given as 10 meter. H is given as 10 meter. We are asked to find the slant height of the cone. Since it is in a right angle triangle, we will use Pythagoras theorem to find the slant height of the cone. So that slant height is nothing but the hypotenuse. So it is nothing but the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle and the slant height of the cone. So L is equal to, L is nothing but the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So L is equal to L squared if you take. If you want to find the hypotenuse, that is L squared, that is equal to R squared plus H squared. So if we are asked to find L, slant height L, it is root of R squared plus H squared. So this is equal to root of R. Radius is given as 24. So 24 squared plus height. Height is given as 10. So it is 10 squared. Okay. So this is equal to root of 24 into 24. That is 24 squared. So 96, 8, 4. So 6, 576. So this one is 576 plus 10 tens are 100. So root of 676. So root of 676. So we need to find the root of 676. So in 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Again with 2, 1, 6, then 9. Then again with 13 table, 13 13s are 169. Okay, so 13 squared into 2 squared. So that will be 13 into 2, 26. So this is equal to root of 13 into 2 is 26 squared. So slant height is 26 meter. So slant height, since it is given in meter, we got that slant height L is equal to 26 meter. This is the first one answer. Then second one is cost of the canvas required to make the tent. So that is CSE. Second one. What is the second one given? Cost of the canvas required to make the tent. So we need to know the area of the tent first. So for finding area, we need to find the curved surface area. So CSA of tent is equal to pi r L. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 24 into slant height is 26. So if we multiply all these things, we will get the curved surface area of the tent. So we are asked to find the cost of the canvas. That is for 1 meter, cost of 1 meter squared of canvas is 70 rupees. That we will do. So cost of 1 meter squared of tent is equal to rupees 70. Therefore, cost of 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 meter squared of tent. Meter squared of tent is equal to, so this 70 we have to multiply with this CSA. So that is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 into 70. Since 70 is there, calculation will be easy for us. So 7 and 10, this one will get cancelled. Okay, so accordingly we have to think and do. So 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. So 22 into 24 into 260. So 24 into 22 will be 4, 8, 4, 8, 528. So 528 into 26. So 6 8s are 48, 4, 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16, 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. So 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 5 2s are 10. So 8, 12, 7, 1, 3, 0. So 1, 3, 7, 2, 8, 0. So this is the cost of the given area of the tent required to make the tent. That is for cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter squared of canvas is 70 rupees. So if 1 meter squared of tent, 1 meter squared of the canvas, cost of 1 meter squared of canvas is rupees 70. So the cost of this much meter squared of tent for of canvas, this much of canvas is equal to this area, curved surface area into 70. So when we simplify this, we will get 1,37,280 rupees. Okay. Sum is, what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. So, what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required? So, tarpaulin cloth will be like this. So, for this one, 3 meter width is given. So, width is given as 3 meter. Okay, what length of tarpaulin? So, we are asked to find the length. Okay, from this tarpaulin cloth, they are going to make a conical tent. From this tarpaulin cloth, from this one, they are going to make a tarpaulin cloth of height 8 centimeter. The height of that is given as 8 meter, not centimeter, 8 meter. And base radius is given as 6 meter. Base radius is given as 6 meter and height is given as 8 meter. Okay. Assume then after that 20 centimeter extra they are adding it. That's all. So for making this tent, we need to know the curved surface area. Then we will come to this. Okay. So curved surface area. So what and all it is given? Height is given as 8 centimeter. Height is equal to 8 meter, not centimeter, meter. Then radius is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so now we need to know the slant height, then only we can find the curved surface area. So slant height L is equal to root of h squared plus r squared. So that is equal to height is 8. So 8 squared plus radius is 6. So it is 6 squared. So that is equal to 8 8s are 64, 3 3 6 6 are 36. So this is equal to root 100. Then L is equal to 10 meter. So we got the slant height as 10 meter. Okay. So now we will find the curved surface area. So CSA is equal to pi r L. So here we are asked to take pi value as 3.14. So 3.14 into radius is given as 6 meter and slant height we got it as 10 meter. So this is equal to 3.14 into 60. So 314 into 6. So 6 4s are 24, 2, 6 1s are 6, 8, 6 3s are 18. So the decimal place, it is given 3.14. 3.14 into 60. So 1 to 2 decimal places. So if we add 0 here, after 2 decimal places, 188.40. So that is the curved surface area, 188.40 meter square. So this is the curved surface area. So for this area only, we need to make the given length, that is 188.40 is the curved surface area. Then after this, one more thing is there. What length of the tarpaulin? So this tarpaulin only they are going to make it as a tent. So width is given as 3 meter. We are asked to find the length. So this CSA, that is area, is equal to CSA. So what is area? Length into breadth. That is equal to CSA, what we got? 188.40. So length, we know that this is slant height L. This is slant height L. This is the length. I will write it as length into breadth itself. Length into breadth. So that L is different from this L. So length into breadth. So for this one only 3 meter width is given. Width is nothing but the breadth. So that is 3 meter. So this is 3 meter. So length into 3 meter is equal to 188.40. So length is equal to 188.40 divided by 3. Okay. So this is equal to 3 6 are 18. Then 3 2s are 6, 24. 3 8s are 24. 80. So length is, what is the length of the tarpaulin required? So length of the tarpaulin required, one more thing is also there, required is equal to 62.80 meter square. But see here, for the wastage of the margins, it is given, it is wasted 20 centimeter. So that 20 centimeter plus wastage. So what is the wastage given here? 20 centimeter. So that is 20 divided by 100, 0.2 meter. So 62.80 plus 0.2 meter. It is given in centimeter. We have to make it as meter and add. So if we add this, we will get 63 meter square. So not meter square, meter, length only. It is a single dimension. So 63 meters. So 62.8 plus 0.2 is 63 meters. So 63 meter of length is needed for making the given measurement conical tent. Okay, so with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.